Hello dear students, myself Shweta Bhoir, Assistant Professor, Department of Information Technology, Changukana Thakur, Arts, Commerce and Science College, New Panvel Autonomous. So today we are going to discuss the topic network scanning. What is mean by network scanning? What are the objective of the network scanning and where the network scanning basically use? Okay, so what is mean by network scanning, students? So network scanning is what? It is a process of active devices, open ports and services that are running on the network. Okay, so what is it is? It is nothing but scanning the entire network. So in this network you are having what kind of the ports are available. That is a publicly available port, HTTP, HTTPS, FTP, Telnet, SMTP, SSH. So all that ports are under the open ports, and what kind of the services you are using. So services are nothing but what? DOS services, DDoS services, normal system services. So every detailed information about the network, how many bits it is the transferring the data and what bandwidths you are using. So every detailed information we are getting in the network scanning. So basically what is the purpose? So the first purpose is what? It is used to find out the live host. Suppose you are using this CKT organization. So in this CKT organization, how live PCs are connected. So every IP address you are going to scan in this network. Okay, what is there in this? So there is a private organization, and that private organization is having how many live hosts. So every live host information you are going to scan it out. Then next is what? It is basically used for the penetration testing. As I said, penetration testing is nothing but what? It is the network. In that network, attacker will hack the system. So every detailed information is recorded for the attacker. Okay, so whatever the activities are done by the attacker, every information is captured. That is called as a penetration testing. Then finding out the vulnerabilities. So these are the weaker part in the network. So that parts will be discovered as a vulnerabilities. That is a thing. Detect open ports. So what kind of the ports are available? So all are detected. In which the first we are going to see types of the network scanning. So first type is a port scanning. Okay, so what is a port scanning? It is a publicly available ports and it is accessible to the attacker. So what the attacker will do, he will find it out all the ports running, and from that he will find out which are the vulnerable ports. Like you all are know what is the difference between the HTTP and HTTPS. HTTP is not secured and HTTPS is secured. So attacker might get using the HTTP port. Why? Because it is not secured as much as configured. Okay, so this is the port scanning. Network mapping, in which one of the example is a ping sweep. Okay, so what is a ping? Ping is a echo request to the particular recipient. Suppose you are entering the ping space IP address of the target computer. So ping space IP address, then the server will respond within the second and you will get the reply. So that is the network mapping. Map the entire network, discover the services and sending the ping request to the target system. And if the target is accepting this request, then he will might get trapped into the attacker. Next is vulnerability scanning. Scanning the weaker part of the network, scanning the weaker part of the server or the system is called as what? Vulnerability scanning. So these are the types. So in the next, what are the objective of the network scanning? So why there is a need of the network scanning, students? First is identify live hosts. So which hosts are live or which hosts are present over the organization, over the any company, any institute. So all that under the live host. Second, detect the open ports. So these are the publicly available ports, and that ports we are using for the detection purpose. Third is identify running services and application. So how many services are running over the network? These are the running services, and like what? allow services and deny services. These are the two categories. So from out of this, he will be finding out the unpatched services which are not using for the various time. Discover vulnerabilities. So it is basically used to find out the vulnerabilities in the system. Next is network mapping, mapping the network over the entire scanning process. Then access security posture. So what kind of the securities are measured in this? So these are the terminologies. Next, monitor network changes. So if there are any changes are done in the network, so that changes will be monitored, that changes will be tracked, and over all these changes made perfectly. Okay. So next is what? Gather information for penetration testing. So what is meant by gathering information? It is collection of the information. Again, it is called as a reconnaissance, and it is used for the penetration testing. So these are the objective of this particular topic. So what is a network scanning process? First is what? Target identification. So identify the target. So whatever the target, any organization, any website, any random person, any authorized person. So these are the target. Okay. So first of all, attacker will find out the target. Second is the host discovery. So what is mean by host discovery? It is used to identify which hosts are running on the services. Again, it is using the ping sweep command. Okay. Third is a port scanning, scanning the entire publicly available ports. Next is a vulnerability assessment. So these are the weaker part in the network. So all are what? These are the processes. Okay. So this is for today's students. Thank you everyone.